Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your science class. Today we will going to start our new unit number 4, roots. So student, open your book page number 24. What do you see in the pictures? In this picture, what do you see? We see a green, wild, big tree. But have you ever imagined what is underground, under the tree? Yes, the roots of the plant is the part that is buried in the soil and we cannot visualize. Because roots are the important underground part of the plant. This part of the plant is mainly responsible for anchoring it down into the ground. It fixes the plant and absorbs the essential minerals. So roots grow under the soil. There are some roots that grow above the soil, but mostly roots grow under the soil. They are usually hidden underground. Roots have several purposes we will read in this unit. They hold the plant in the ground and keep it upright. Can you see? Can you move that tree easily? No, because the root hold that plant and keep it upright. Root grows in the soil. In this picture, you can see when you put the seed into the soil, what happened? From the soil, radical come out, and that radical become a primary root. And from the primary root, the secondary roots comes out. Now, as the plant grow, the roots also grow under the soil. So in this picture, you can see there are secondary roots also, and the roots are growing slowly. It sucks water and minerals from the soil. It stores food for the plant. It fixes the plant into the soil. As I have told you, it fixes the plant and it right up the plant and make it firm. Now in this picture you can see how the tree is absorbing water from the roots. So water absorbed by root and water evaporate from the leaf surfaces. So they are following main functions of the root. So root perform various functions that are necessary for the survival of the plant. Roots are the reason plants remain attached to the ground. They support the plant body, ensuring that it stands erect. You cannot push or pull the tree with your hands because it fixed in the ground in firm position. Primary function of the root is to absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. Plant prepare food and store in the form of starch in the leaves, shoots and roots. Even though roots are not the reproductive part of the plant, they are vegetative parts. Some roots are thick and strong. They grow deep in the soil. So when they are thick and strong, they absorb and store the food in themselves. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot, these are the root vegetables and they grow and they absorb and store in food in them so that we can eat them. Radish, beetroot, carrot, these are the root vegetables and they grow deep into the soil. So if the root is thick, it has stored food in it and that we eat. These are the examples of the thick root. Further, we will also read about the types of the root. So you can see these roots are thick that grow under the soil. Some roots are thin and weak. Like some plants have the thin stems and they are weak. So same as the roots are thin and weak also. They do not grow very deep into the soil. So we can take it off very easily. You can see these roots. This is the grass onion roots and these are the grass roots. Now you can see. What do you see when you go outside? You only see the green beautiful grass. But now in this picture you can see the roots grow under the soil and how the roots look like. They are very thin and weak. We can pull it off with our hands very easily. The roots grow under the ground. We don't see them. This is the picture of the roots. This plant was taken out from its planter. As we cannot see the root outside, so you can see this is the plant which was fixed in the pot. When you take it out from the pot, you can see there are roots in the soil. And this is the tree roots. You cannot pull off a tree from the soil very easily. You need some heavy machinery. Now you can see the roots into the soil. The roots are so strong that they have fixed the tree into the soil very firmly. To make it move, it is not an easy task. And you can see the roots of the tree are so strong like the tree. And I hope you understood about the functions of the root and how the roots grow under the soil. Okay student, inshallah we will read more about the roots in the next class. Take care.